Today we're going to be making fried green tomatoes.
What's up guys, it's Minix back with another video, and today I'm here with my grandma.
Hi everyone.
And today we are going to be making fried green tomatoes. These are a great southern recipe that grandma's been making and eating pretty much the entire
my whole life. Yeah. This is a great southern food that not a lot of people make. Not a lot of people have a recipe for, including us. Just kind of, we tried to get a little bit of a recipe, but you know, sometimes just have to taste, and if you like more sugar in them or more hot peppers, you can just add that to your taste.
Before we start this video, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you can be notified every time we upload a new video.
Okay, let's get started. First, you want to pick your green tomatoes out of the garden. So, just pick some bigger ones, or you can buy them. A lot of fruit markets have them this time of year. I've never tried to fry a red tomato, but I imagine they would just mush up, so that's why you want to do the green ones. Okay, so I've got the green tomatoes washed. I probably got about 12 small to medium, and if you don't need that many, just cut the recipe in half. But you just cut off the ends and then slice them in a big bowl. Just kind of thin slice. So we'll just be back when we get them all cut up. We've got the tomatoes cut up. You just want to thinly slice them. We ended up using about 9 small to medium. There was one bigger one, but just, you know, depending on how many people you want to serve. This will probably be for about 5 to 6 people. So first we're going to add 2 tablespoons of salt. Just kind of mix that with your hands. And then we've got about 1/4 cup of sugar, and I don't usually measure for this, so we'll end up tasting them and we may have to add more, but we'll see. And it really just depends on your taste, how sweet you like them. Or got a 1/2 cup of self-rising cornmeal I'm going to add. And about a 3/4 cup of self-rising flour. Hudson cream, of course. So just kind of get that mixed in. So I'm going to add some hot peppers. These are just the yellow pepper rings, the hot ones. But if you got jalapenos, if you like it hotter, you can do that. Or you could use banana peppers if you don't like it as hot. But I'm going to add 5 or 6 of the rings. And then mix that in a little bit. And I'm getting my electric skillet heated up. And it takes quite a bit of oil too. Okay, I'm using an electric skillet and I'm starting it out at 420. We want to get it hot, get them started brown, and then we'll turn them down. You kind of do them like fried potatoes. So it takes, like I said, quite a bit of oil, so I'm going to cover the bottom really well. Maybe about a 1/2 inch. When that gets hot, we'll pour them in. Just going to test the oil, see if it's hot enough. Not quite, so it'll start bubbling. So I think they're ready to pour in. I'm adding a little bit more self-rising flour. Kind of doesn't look like enough, so. Okay, and I'm going to pour them in the skillet. And we're just gonna let them brown a little, turn them with the spatula. They're starting to get brown a little bit, but they're getting a little bit dry. You gotta have a lot of oil, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more, maybe a couple tablespoons, I would guess. So I'm just gonna brown them, finish browning them, turn them down, let them simmer a little bit. All right, so we're getting them brown, just kind of like fried potatoes. Not browning real fast, I like a little bit browner. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a lid on them and turn them down to about 350 and just let them cook for about 5 or 10 minutes. Starting to get tender now, so I'm gonna turn them back up to 420 and see if I can get them a little bit browner. They're almost done. I had to add another 1/4 cup of sugar to them. I like them sweet, so you can try them and see, you know, how much you want to add. Okay, the tomatoes are pretty tender, so we're gonna turn them off and try some of them.
Okay guys, we're back. We just got done with the fried green tomatoes. They turned out really well, and now we're gonna try them.
Very good. These were so good, and I hope you think the same.
Okay guys, thank you for watching our fried green tomatoes video. They turned out really well and they tasted great. So if you make this recipe, make sure to send us pictures and videos. We love to see when you make our stuff, and also leave a comment and a like if you enjoyed this video. And also consider subscribing to our channel so you can see some more of our baking and cooking videos. So we'll see you guys later. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bye.
Woo. Gotta feed the chickens before I go pick the green tomatoes. They're starving. Look how big that one is though. He's not starving too bad. Thought we'd grab a few zucchini while we're out here. The whole plant came up.
Good?
No. Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, I need somebody to help me clean that light.
Sorry, but what if I moved it to that chair and kind of had it tilted that way? The camera like this way? So then we just kind of...
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? You are! Nothing beats a good cold glass of milk. I like milk. Because I love you and I care for you. I don't want you to use too much salt in your